Okay, just going to go over the thought process for this trade here and where I think I went wrong. Um, Overall, structurally, I do like the look, right? Relative to this kind of high or high middle time frame range, it's slightly bearishly biased, but relative to this rangy price action, we're overextended and we're overextended into this external low here. And of course, high time frame wise, we do have a pretty nice imbalance up top that we were working with. So, structurally, higher time frame wise, I like the entry. I like the stacked relativity. Where I think I went wrong is I kind of just took a gamble on all of that, and the low time frame, just what I was seeing in here wasn't looking the best. Very limited confirmation on the tick chart, no clear disproportionate reaction, as well as it just felt a little bit newsy. I'm not sure if there was news, but when you get these impulsive pushes towards the close of New York, typically it's probably just best to not enter them, especially when they're in our overall direction. So yeah, just kind of overlooked a lot of the lower time frame immediate cues, such as waiting for like the disproportionate reaction here, and just kind of ignored that DXY randomly saw this huge spike to the upside. At the time of my entry, we did see a high low right here, but then just kind of blew through and continued pushing. So yeah, I just think the end of New York is typically quite low volume, quite respective of lower time frame structure. When you see it doing otherwise, probably just best to stay out of it. And of course, I could have waited for more confirmation here. But if you look at this entry and you look at most of my buys on here, it looks quite similar. I don't think it was like a super out of character look. I just think I jumped the gun a little bit with the stuff that matters most, albeit right, like the low time frame stuff. But yeah, candle behavior wise, timing was looking good as well. 337, 338, somewhere around there after immediately driving bearish. But yeah, as I said, this was just kind of a weird, just abnormal move for this time of day. We had the DXY spiking, so to take a trade against that, just probably inherently lower probability.